Hello, I'm Julie and I've been working with Balhousie Care Home for 4 months now and really enjoying it. I worked in Dundee as an optical technician, making prescription lenses for glasses. I've done that for 26 years. I got made redundant because the place ceased trading, and so I got another job which lasted 9 months because I couldn't really do the job. It was too intricate, so they had to pay me off because I was unable to do that job. When I was told I couldn't do the job, I felt totally useless. I was depressed. My illness took its toll, so I ended up being unemployed.
Cornerstone run the employability programme Work Choice, which is from the DWP. And what we do is it's a 6-month, what was called Module 1, so job search support. And that's supporting people with a wide range of learning difficulties or mental health issues in finding work, so with their CVs and application forms and things.
When I went to the job centre for the first time, I felt useless, lost, and would I ever be able to work again? But then I was introduced to Cornerstone.
So at the first appointment, we would discuss what the client's needs are, what their difficulties are, because we get people with a wide range of health issues or mental health issues or learning difficulties. So it's working out how we can support that client through the 6-month job searching process. So firstly, we help them to do a CV, highlighting all their skills and experience, and then we would promote that CV, whether that be like sending out speculative letters to employers or making telephone calls. And also if the client sees any jobs maybe on the internet or at the job centre that they want to apply for, then we help them with that as well. We really tailor to meet every single client. It is really helping the client work out what they want to do and how we're going to go about doing it.
They asked me what I would prefer myself. I did say I would quite like care home or in a kitchen or something like that. I was willing to give anything a try.
So when we're approaching employers, it would be to meet the client's needs. So if they would like to work in a care home, then we would look at what care homes are in the area. And for example, this care home was doubling in size, a brand new build. So we knew that there would be job vacancies there. So that was why this specific home was targeted by us to discuss with the manager, Joyce, if she'd be willing to take a placement.
Cornerstone were very helpful. The gentleman from Cornerstone came to my office and said, would you be able to give some people an opportunity to get back in the workforce? And was more than delighted to be able to help when he was able to produce somebody like Julie, so it was superb.
Yes, I came into Monkbarns Care Home and I met Joyce, the manager. She was great, she was happy with me. I was put on like a 6-week placement. At first I thought, I'm not going to manage this and that, but I got on fine.
Work placements are really good to find out how things are working, because although we meet with the clients on a weekly basis, we are not meeting with them in an employment situation. So if they're on time for me, but they may be half an hour late for their work every day, that's something that we can only find out once they're in the placement. Because it maybe is something as simple as they're getting the wrong bus to work and they don't know what else there is out there, so we can help with things like that.
I don't think I would have ever found this job or managed a job without Cornerstone. Their support was great.
We've got employers across the board, but we're always trying to bring in more. I think in the current climate it is important that we bring in more employers, because it is hard just to go for those advertised jobs that there are so many people going for. So we do have employers sort of across the board, but we are always looking to build on that.
Balhousie's approach to employing people with sort of disabilities such as Julie's is really, we want to embrace some and give everybody an absolute chance and opportunity to get back into the workforce again.
When I'm in the kitchen, I help with doing salads or I'll help making sandwiches. And my main thing is like doing a lot of dishes and making sure the kitchen and that is completely clean at all times. And after I've done that, I do the breakfast for residents, and then depending on which shift I'm on, I get to serve the main meals as well. So yeah, the day just flies past because you're so busy all the time. You don't have time to look at the clock or anything. It's just great.
I think everybody should be given an opportunity regardless of backgrounds or disabilities, because you just never know, you can get an absolute cracker, a diamond.
Everyone's always saying I'm always smiling, why I'm always happy, but because I'm just so glad to be in work again. I can do work. Disability doesn't always have to be an issue.